Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn how to write a Python program to reverse a number. Right? Now let us take a number int input. So give some message. Enter a number. Now, my aim is to find the reverse of a number. So my reverse is r. So initially I don't have any value for r. I will give the value as 0. Now I will check whether my given number is positive or not. So n greater than 0. Now I will find the last digit of that number. So d is equal to n modulo 10. Assuming you are giving the integer value. So decimal number. So that's why 10. So I have r as r into 10 plus d. Then now I will find the quotient of number and I will reassign to this n again. So n by 10. Now this is my loop. It will continue until my number is positive. When it becomes 0, automatically it will come out from the loop and we have to print the reverse of that number. What is my reverse? R. Now let us see the output. So 1024. It should print 4201. Correct? Now one more input like 456. It should print 654. Correct. Now we'll go for the debugging. Debugging. Right. 345. Now, initially the value of n is 345 as you can see here. Right? Now it will check whether my number, what is my number here? 345. See here, 345 is greater than 0. Now what is it? It is a true. So when it is true, it will enter the loop. So when I ask for the next statement, the interpreter will go to the next statement. Right? Now it will find the last digit of that number. Now what is the last digit of the number? 5. Now it will store the last digit in D. Now next statement, it will compute the value of D. Now the value of D will be 5. The value of D will be 5. Now what is the value of R? Initially the value of R is 0 into 10 is 0 into 10 is 0 into 10 is 0 plus D. The what is the value of D here? 5. Now this 5 will be assigned to R. Now next, for the next statement, the value of R will be 5. R will be 5. Now what is the quotient here? This is the last digit and this is your quotient, that is 34. Now the value of n will be 34. The value of n will be 34. Now again this works. Now 34 is greater than 0. Now it is true. So for the next statement it will enter the loop again. Now what is the value of D here? 5. Now what is the last digit in 34? 4. So 4 will be saved in D. Now what is the value of D here? 4. Now what is the value of R? 5. So what is the value of R into 10? R into 10 is 50 plus D is 4. So 50 plus 4, 54. Now what is the value of R here? 54. See here, R is 54. Now what is the value of n will be 34 when divided by 10 will give you the remainder as 3, not remainder, quotient. So the quotient will be 3 again. Now the value of n will be 3. The value of n will be 3. Now again it will check the condition. What is the condition? Is n is greater than 0 or not? So it is true. So when it is true, it enters the loop. Now when it enters the loop, it will check the last digit. So the last digit is 3 itself, right? So the last digit is 3. Now what is the value of R here? 54 into 10 is 540 plus 3, that is 543. Now the value of R will be 543. Now what is the quotient here? Nothing is remained. The n will be 0. Now next time n will be 0. Now it will check the condition again. See here. Now it will check the condition. What is the condition here? False. So it will never enter this loop again. My loop is completed. It will directly come to the print statement. When I ask for go, when I order this interpreter, go to next statement, it will go directly to the last statement of your program. That's all. Now it is printed. Now when I ask for the go for next statement, is just close the session. This is your reverse of a number program. Got it?